Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard beats. To start, focus on selecting high-quality, punchy samples for your drums and bass. Think about the core elements that give a beat its power. We'll explore how to layer these sounds effectively and use processing techniques like compression to really make them hit hard. Get ready to elevate your production. For powerful drums, begin by choosing kick and snare samples that have a quick, sharp attack and a short decay. Program a strong, driving rhythm, making sure your kick drum hits hard on the downbeats. Don't forget to vary the velocity of your hits and add subtle ghost notes to give your drum patterns a more natural and dynamic feel. This adds groove and realism. Next, let's craft impactful bass lines. Select a bass sound that has a clear, strong low-end presence without being muddy. Keep your bass lines relatively simple and rhythmic, ensuring they complement your drum pattern rather than competing with it. A crucial technique is sidechain compression, which ducks the bass slightly when the kick hits, creating that signature pumping effect and giving the kick more room to breathe. This makes a huge difference. Finally, for maximum impact, focus on your mix. Use EQ to carve out frequencies, ensuring each instrument has its own space and preventing muddiness. Apply gentle saturation to add warmth and harmonic richness, making your sounds feel fuller. For the mastering stage, use a limiter to bring up the overall loudness to a competitive level, ensuring your hard beats sound professional and powerful on any system. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.